A subscription to our digital training solution is the answer you have been looking for. It is a solution to onboarding, training and retraining, employee development, engagement, and the tools to manage the learning process. Our learning management system is full of content, courses, and materials designed to specifically serve the restoration, cleaning, and industries related to the built environment. World-class instructors and subject matter experts have designed curriculum and the delivery for the success of companies and individuals in our industry to succeed. Hundreds of modules give you the ability to adapt to the needs of your company and design learning paths for your team. With the Plus subscription, you gain access to hundreds of safety, compliance, and HR courses. Engaging microlearning style content delivered in a variety of modalities will engage your team and keep them excited to learn. Our resource library provides your team the materials for just-in-time learning anytime, anywhere. It offers certificates, reports, and management tools that are easy to use and deploy. Our system has a variety of content for everyone in your company to grow and learn, from the field to the office. We promote the application of standards of care, process, and best practices. All of our classes are fueled by the desire to provide training and resources for the success of individuals and their companies. We believe in inspiring happiness, pride, and innovation in others. Visit RTIlearning.com or email us at dts@rtilearning.com for a personalized demo, course catalog, pricing, and more. RTIlearning.com. Knowledge, passion, and inspiration for your success.